John Walls is fantastically excited to reveal these 3 vintage neon pieces of art tonight. And then thereafter, the 9 other pieces from this collection that will be installed in this downtown business district. We strongly feel that lighting the streets benefits all parties, be it residents, businesses, and visitors. But the power's off to the building, so we have to do this old school tonight. We've got to do a countdown from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Light them up! Yeah. This is Mr. Dave Waller. This is his fantastic collection of vintage neon.
I've been collecting signs since I was 9 years old, and I've never had a presentation like this. A lot of times you're just taking them out of the dumpster because they're throwing them away, and finally people are going, hey, those are kind of cool. So Al figured that out and has been the Pied Piper for this town, and I think that it's just going to be a beautiful thing.
So I want to see this become an expanding and ongoing streetscape art exhibit. I think it's a wonderful first start, and thank you very much to all of you who have supported it. I really appreciate you coming out.
Al, I want to thank you for having a vision, looking at our city, being here in downtown, and standing around looking at these buildings that reflect the history of this city, and tapping into the spirit that we have in this city. And you really had a vision that people are really able to really grab onto. So, you know, you really worked hard to make this happen. And everybody that's been a part of this, the night that we were down here at the Lynn Museum, you could feel the energy in the room with people from all over this community, recognizing that this opportunity is really taking advantage of what we love about this community and what's great about this community.
Ultimately, there will be 12 pieces of vintage neon art throughout this downtown business district. The 10 murals that we mentioned, underpass lighting of Central Square. It responds to the train, so as the train runs by, it can light up, it can change colors, it responds to music. It'll be very cool, right? And it's going to go from Central Square all the way down the Washington Street corridor. And then finally, a piece, we wanted to put in a sculpture piece. GE donated a 1942 IA engine, the first jet engine made by a U.S. manufacturer, was donated to the project. We'll be installing that in downtown. I've recently met, who's become very near and dear to my heart, John Doherty from DC 35, the Painters Union, who stepped up in a very big way. Look at that.
We're working in partnership between contractors and workers to see some economic development come to the city. We'd like to be a part of the culture, the fabric of the city, and make sure that this project moves forward as quickly as possible. Thank you, everybody, for having us.